Hello and welcome back, freelancers. Today we're diving into a crucial lesson, Introduction to Fiverr Features and Opportunities. Fiverr is a great place to sell your talent and earn money. This is a game changer in freelancers' life. So let's jump into the world of Fiverr and explore what it's all about. First thing first, what exactly is Fiverr? Well, Fiverr is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell various digital services. The unique aspect of Fiverr is that most services start at just $5, which is where the company gets its name. Founded in 2010, Fiverr has become one of the largest websites for connecting people worldwide to sell and buy services. Whether you're a content writer, graphic designer, programmer, digital marketer, artist, or translator, Fiverr has a place for you to showcase your skills and make money doing what you love. Now let's talk about how Fiverr works for freelancers. First, we need to understand some key terms. Gig. This refers to the service offered on Fiverr. Your gig is an opportunity to showcase your talent to potential customers, as well as to provide all the information they may need prior to placing an order. Seller. A seller is someone who provides services and offers them for sale to buyers. Buyer. A user who buys gigs on Fiverr. Order. When a buyer purchases a gig from a seller, Fiverr operates as a two-way communication platform where both buyers and sellers can find each other for their working needs. Buyers can browse through seller profiles to find the best match for their project, while sellers can look through buyer requests to find work that matches their skills. Once a buyer and seller connect, they create an order, setting a specified time, goal, and price for the project. After seller completes the work, they deliver it to the buyer. If the buyer approves the work, they mark the order as complete. If revisions are needed, the seller makes them until the buyer is satisfied. Processing fee and service fee on Fiverr. Now, let's talk about fees. Buyers pay Fiverr for orders in advance, and Fiverr deducts a processing fee based on the order value. Sellers receive payment for completed orders, but Fiverr deducts a service fee of 20%. Besides that, when a buyer marks the order complete, he also leaves a review on that order. This review is publicly shown on your profile and you cannot edit or remove it. If you have good reviews on your profile, more buyers will want to work with you and will place more orders on your gigs. Seller levels on Fiverr. Fiverr also has different seller levels based on performance and earnings. There are 6 key points to measure levels on Fiverr. Starting with success score, this is a big one. Your success score is like your overall grade on Fiverr. It's calculated based on several factors like how well you're performing, how your gigs are doing, and a bunch of other things. It's basically Fiverr's way of saying how awesome you are overall. Next up, we've got your rating. This comes directly from the feedback your buyers leave after they receive their orders. Think of it as your report card from your clients. The higher your rating, the better. Now, let's talk about response rate. This is all about how quickly you respond to messages from potential buyers. If you're quick to reply, your response rate goes up, which is fantastic because it shows buyers that you're attentive and ready to help. Orders. This one's straightforward. It's the total number of orders you've completed. The more orders you finish, the more experience you gain, and Fiverr loves to see that you're actively working and satisfying customers. Unique or clients. This is an interesting one. Fiverr wants to see that you're attracting different clients. So it's important to have repeat orders from various clients, not just the same few. It shows that a lot of different people trust your services. Finally, we have earnings. This is the total revenue you've generated from your orders. The more you earn, the more it shows that you're delivering valuable services that clients are willing to pay for. Now, let's discuss the seller levels on Fiverr. There are 3 main levels: level 1 seller, level 2 seller, and top-rated seller. To become a level 1 seller, you need a success score of 5, a rating of at least 4.4, a response rate of 80%, at least 5 completed orders, 3 unique clients, and earnings of at least $400. To reach level 2, the requirements increase to a success score of 7, a rating of at least 4.6, a response rate of 90%, at least 20 completed orders, 10 unique clients, and earnings of at least $2,000. Finally, to achieve the top-rated seller status, you need a success score of 9, a rating of at least 4.7, a response rate of 90%, at least 40 completed orders, 20 unique clients, and earnings of at least $10,000. Additionally, for the top-rated seller level, Fiverr manually reviews your profile for extra details to ensure you meet their high standards. By understanding and aiming to meet these criteria, you can progress through the seller levels on Fiverr and enhance your success on the platform. So that's how the Fiverr game works. Now, you might be asking, is Fiverr free to join? The good news is, yes, Fiverr is completely free to join. You can sign up without paying a single cent. All you need is an email address, or you can use your Google or Facebook account to sign up. Once you're in, you can start browsing services or setting up your own gigs right away. You're probably also wondering, is Fiverr safe? Yes, Fiverr is safe to use. The platform uses secure payment methods and protects both buyers and sellers through their secure payment system. They also have a robust review and rating system, which helps you choose reliable sellers and service providers. Plus, Fiverr offers a resolution center to handle any disputes, ensuring both parties are treated fairly. Finally, can Fiverr be trusted? Yes, Fiverr can be trusted. It's one of the largest and most reputable freelance marketplaces out there. Millions of users worldwide rely on Fiverr for various services, from graphic design to writing and everything in between. The key is to do your research, check reviews, ask for portfolios, and communicate clearly with sellers to ensure you get exactly what you need. That's all for today's lesson on Fiverr. We explored how Fiverr's gig system works, the different seller levels, the secure payment methods, and the excellent customer service that makes Fiverr the best choice for beginners in freelancing. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create a profile on Fiverr,